Pag-usapan natin bakit ba importante na nagbibigay tayo ng oras sa financial education. Sabi dito sa libro na The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future, when it comes to securing and saving their future, many good people fail. Kahit mabait pala tayo, pwede tayong mag-fail sa personal finance. Many hardworking people fail. Kahit masipag tayo, pwedeng wala tayong ipon. Many smart people fail. Kahit na mataas ang posisyon natin, professional tayo or OFW, pwede pa rin tayo mag-fail sa personal finance or baon sa utang. And many teachers fail. Many young people fail. Kahit bata ka, talagang pwede ka pa rin walang ipon. And many old people fail. Ang dami nagre-retire na walang ipon at walang retirement fund. Many engineers and doctors fail. Kahit pala malaki ang kinikita natin, wala talaga tayong pwedeng matabi kung walang disiplina. Many end up retiring without enough savings. So these people don't set out to fail. Hindi naman natin pinlano na mag-fail tayo. They do because they fail to plan and manage their personal finances. Hindi lang pala tayo nagplano. Kaya they lack financial education. Kaya ako nga, accountant, pero dito ko lang din natutunan sa libro na to kung paano yung tamang pag-iipon at pag-i-invest. To know more about savings and investment, message mo lang ako sa FB, Roan Celis Capistrano.